Welcome to IronHand Tech Channel. Today we will explore an exciting journey, the journey of recycling old car tires. Did you know that every year the world produces about 1.7 billion tires, and only about 35% of them are recycled? Why is tire recycling so important, and how does this process work? Let's find out right away. In 1846, Robert William Thomson was granted a patent for the invention of pneumatic tires. However, it was not until 1880 that John Boyd Dunlop really perfected and put pneumatic tires into widespread use. He realized that pumping air into the rubber helped reduce vibration and increase the smoothness of the car. Since then, billions of tires have been produced in the world. Although they are getting more and more durable, the car tire landfills are still getting bigger, requiring them to be disposed of. Few people expect that these discarded tires can be called black gold. These old tires are collected from maintenance centers, scrap yards, and other collection points. This is the first and important step to prepare for the next recycling steps. Burying tires has never been a perfect solution. Rainwater seeping through tire landfills will dissolve toxic substances, flow into groundwater, polluting water sources. Burning tires is the same. A large amount of toxic gases such as dioxin, furan, fine dust particles seriously affect human health and the environment. Therefore, tire recycling brings hope to create new materials, but they also help clean the environment, avoid the spread of disease and potential risks of fire and explosion. At the plant, the tires are cleaned to remove dirt, stones, and other impurities. This prepares the tires for the crushing process, ensuring that no impurities will affect the quality of the recycled rubber. Workers then tear off the steel cords in the tires. This is done by a special machine that takes 20 seconds to remove the steel cords from the tires. These steel cords can be further recycled and used in the construction and other industries. The tires are then fed onto a conveyor belt into a grinder, where sharp blades do their job, breaking the tires into tiny rubber pieces. And this giant drum breaks them into even smaller pieces. The machine also has a magnet to attract any metal fragments that remain after the grinding process. This process transforms the tires from a hard state into smaller, easier to handle pieces. After grinding, the rubber flakes are filtered to remove any remaining impurities, usually reinforcing fibers made of nylon or other synthetic fibers. This is an important step to ensure that the recycled rubber is of high quality, ready for further reuse. The rubber flakes continue to pass through a vibrating machine to separate the powders of different sizes. The crushed rubber is fed into a mixer, where it is mixed with a polyurethane binder. To get the final product, the desired color, the colored mixture is put into a mold with the undyed rubber mixture, pressed by hand, and then sent to a hydraulic press. Here the bricks are pressed to the appropriate level. Finally, they are placed in a drying oven for about 8 hours. Now the bricks are ready to be used for paving playgrounds, parks, sidewalks. In most countries, recycling old tires is a complicated and expensive business. In the United States, about 81%, equivalent to 225 million tires, are recycled each year, while in Europe, the rate is even higher, reaching 96%, but there are still many tires out there that are not recycled. The complex structure and chemical resistance of rubber make it difficult to separate and recycle the components. However, this process is being accelerated because people see its undeniable benefits. Today, cars are still operating on the streets. Each car rolling on the road carries a story. And the story of old tires, when recycled, becomes a new chapter full of meaning. Thank you for following our tire recycling journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on other interesting videos. See you in the next videos.